What's up guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can buy core to claim your CTO airdrop, and in this video I will be using Bybit. If you don't know how you can go about the claiming of CTO yet, I have already made a detailed video tutorial about that, and I will be leaving the link in the comment section or description of this video, so do well to check it out, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. So right now, if you have Bybit, just go ahead to your Bybit. So here we are, open your Bybit, and on this search bar just search for core, C-O-R-E, and you will see core USDT. Click on this and you can see the price right here, and what you need is just a little fraction, but I will advise you to buy like 0.1 core. So to buy, you just have to buy, in my own case I just want to buy one, so let me click on one, and then I will just send buy, and it will instantly buy because I buy close to market. And if you come to your assets, under here you will see it's under unified, then this is my core, and here I click on it, send it to, I will transfer it to my funding where I should be able to send it out. Unify to funding, then core and mass send, which is to confirm. And by the time I go back to, let me just go back, and if I go to my funding, I should see my core here, and I want to withdraw the core, so click on withdraw, and here you click on core. And one good thing about sending core out is that you can send as low as 0.001 core. So in my own case, to get this, you just have to go back to your wallet on BitGet or wherever your you want to claim your CTO in. Just go there, click on wallet and click on core, because that's what I want to send in, and I will just click on okay, yes, click on copy, and then go back to here, which is on Bybit, and here I just have to paste. The network is surely on core, so core, you can see everything here is quite cheap, very cheap. So I'll just click on withdraw, and then I'll confirm my authenticator, then I will definitely see my core. And if I go back here, I should see my core right here. So let me just refresh. So you can see I have successfully deposited core into this wallet, and it as simple as that. So that's how you get core. It's very cheap and it is affordable. Anybody can do it. So if you get any value from this video, don't forget to like, share it for more tappers to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.